Hi everyone, so this video is going to show you some things that I purchased from Kmart. So originally I went to Kmart to pick up a shower mat or a bath mat just to go on the floor of our shower to make it not slip. That's in there at the moment, so I don't have that to show you, but I have everything else that I happened to purchase while I was in there. So I hope you guys enjoy. It's going to be more of like a homewaresy decoration kind of haul, so it's not really beauty related, but I hope you all enjoy it anyway. Let's get into it. So the first thing isn't really homewares, it's some contact paper. So this is the paper that you put on books if you're in school, I guess, or you cover things with it. It's the self-adhesive paper, but what I liked about this one is the texture of it. So I don't know if it'll pick it up close. It should do. But it's super glittery. It's really, really nice. It's not picking it up as shiny on camera, but it's actually really quite nice. I thought I would get this not to use as contact paper or to put it on books or anything, but to actually use as a backdrop if I'm doing some flat lays and things like that. And I've actually used it already once and just rolled it back up. Using the wrapping it came in, I just kept a bit of it and keep it together. But that's the first thing that I purchased, and if they have it in other colours I might pick it up because it actually makes a really nice backdrop for taking photos of items. Next is another more crafty kind of a thing, and it is a roll of washi tape. So in Kmart Australia at least, they have a section that's dedicated to crafts, and there are actually quite a few good things in there. And I like this one because it had a nice range of washi tape, so different thicknesses and different patterns. So you've got a spotted one, a glittery one, which is the same texture as that contact paper I showed you, a flamingo, sprinkles, watermelon, and my favourite, the hollow. As you can see, I've got hollow nails at the moment. You can't really see it very well on the camera. I'll see if I can get a torch, but I really like it. It's actually the Sally Hansen holographic powder. So you can kind of see it. If you want to see it close up, just go and check out my Instagram. No doubt I'll probably have multiple videos and photos of it anyway, but I love it. And yeah, so there's that one in there too. Next up are some pens. I don't actually intend to use them, but I guess if I want to, I can. They are just decorative pens, 6 pens in each pack. I got 2 of the same. Shades of silver gold and rose gold, mixture of patterns in there as well, and it's to go in the next item that I'm going to show you. So this is an embossed white pot, but I will be using it to hold those pens and maybe a few other things. The girls at work give me a hard time because my desk is completely empty. The other day I got a candle as a gift with purchase from Priceline, so I unwrapped that and put it on my desk, but that's literally the only thing on my desk apart from a post-it note pad. So I needed to get some things to brighten up my desk at work, so I thought I'd get this and put the pens in it, and I have some other things as well which I'm going to take in to put on my desk to make it look a little more lived in. I mean, you spend enough time there, you want it to look nice, right? So one of the things that I'm going to put on my desk is a fake plant. I really can't keep plants alive, generally speaking, so if I'm going to put a plant inside, it's going to be a fake one. And this is a fake little succulent, is that what it's called? Oh, it says pineapple fake plant. So there you go, it's a fake pineapple plant. Next one is a glossy white finish. This one's actually quite light. The other one was quite heavy, so I think it's more of a cement, whereas this one, I don't know what it is, but it's fragile, handle with care, doesn't say. But this one's a lot lighter. This is a fake succulent, and that's it there. Nothing really else to say, but I thought these ones looked pretty realistic compared to some of the others, and it just adds a little pop of colour as well without being too overpowering. I did get one more though as well. So I did get another one, and this is a large pineapple. It's also in the cement or the concrete, so it's actually quite heavy. So I have to carry this on the train into work, but once it's there, it's fine. So this, yeah, is just another desk ornament. It looks quite nice. It's a nice shade of green. It doesn't look overly fake, and it's a bit bigger than the other one. Oops. So that's the other one. I just figured with the three of them all together and the pencil tin, we'll kind of just organise them next to each other and make a nice little arrangement on my desk. The next things I purchased are some acrylic pen holders. So they're, I guess, whatever you want them to be. They're just a rectangle with an open top made out of acrylic. And I purchased these for makeup storage. I might use them for something else. I picked up 14 of them because why not, right? It's actually quite difficult to find nice sized acrylic holders like this. I've picked up a few in the past, as you can see down there, but they're actually quite expensive. I got them a long time ago from Freedom Furniture, I think it was, a very long time ago. But these ones are actually quite inexpensive. I mean, it's Kmart, right? And yeah, I like them. They're a good size. I picked all the labels off the bottoms of them already. But yeah, so things like makeup brushes. I'll show you some of my dirty brushes, but it's just a good height for makeup brushes, lip liners, eyeliners, lip glosses, some of the taller ones. And I want to reorganise some of my makeup, redo my setup a little bit, declutter. Next is what seems like a kind of random purchase, but it's LED candles. So non-flame, battery operated fake candles. I actually haven't opened it to see what they look like or if they are made out of wax or plastic, I don't know. But they change colours, and I thought these might make for some good decorations if I'm filming an ASMR video, which I'm going to get to, and I'll go into that I guess a little bit. I am trying to set up a microphone that works with the camera and just get my setup organised and find some time to do that as well. So it is definitely something that I'm still interested in doing and still trying to do, but I want to get a decent enough microphone because the one on the camera, it's not, I mean it's fine for this, but it is a bit echoey in here. So I need to work that out a little bit and then start to film some of the videos for there. But I thought as a backdrop this might come in handy for those. Another thing that I picked up is a desk lamp. This one's a clip-on desk lamp. I actually picked up one that sits on a desk which is at my computer desk because that's where I paint my nails, at my computer desk, watching Netflix generally. But this one I thought might be handy if I'm going to be doing more nail art tutorials or just something on the small desk that I have in front of me here. I clip it on, light it up and get some more direct light, because sometimes it's nice to have brighter light closer to what you're doing to make it easier to see. Generally that's what light's for. So yeah, that's another thing that I got. And the last thing to show you is this. Oh, it's got hair stuck to it from the static electricity. This wall shelf, rectangle wall shelf here. I'm actually not going to be putting it on. Oh, you can see my lights. I'm actually not going to be putting this up on the wall. I'm thinking about putting it on the desk behind me, maybe working it in. I might replace these drawers. I'll still keep them because these drawers are actually really good for extra nail polishes that don't have a place. So I keep nail polish in those drawers, and they were also from Kmart, and same with this. But I was thinking about putting this essentially like here, I guess, on either side, and just putting some bits and pieces on it. I'll see how it goes. I might try it out. I mean, I've got everything anyway, so if I don't like it, I can always switch it back, but I thought these were interesting, and I'll always find a use for stuff like this anyway. So that is everything. That's everything from my Kmart haul. Please leave me any comments if you have any questions down below. And if you're like me, do you go into Kmart for one thing and end up buying a lot more than you need? I always do, so I have to be careful. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this one, and I will see you in my next video.